When someone tells you that they're not interested, they're not interested. Do not tell them you're playing hard to get. If someone tells you they don't want you, 99.999999999% of the time, they don't want you. So why? Why in the world do you think someone tell you they're not into you, you're going to tell them, oh, you just play hard to get? Make it make sense to me. Can somebody make it make sense to me? Because I don't get it. Like, I've been told that. And I'm very honest. I'm blunt. I'll tell someone, like, I don't want you. You just play hard. I don't want you, nor do I like you. Oh, you just say that because you play hard to get, you really want me. Why would you think that? Like, why? So my message to you today is, when someone tells you they're not interested, they don't want you, take it on the chin, kiddo, because they don't want you. Don't tell someone they playing hard to get. That's weird. You sound like a stalker. And I feel like the next person that tell me that, I'm getting a restraining order against you. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. Happy Friday. It's Friday. Fuck it up. It's Friday. Anyway, happy Friday. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time.